JustPaid AI is a newly released AI software, and if you're curious about how it can transform your workflow, this review will break down 7 crucial things you need to know. I'm going to give you the inside scoop on whether this is the right tool for you and your business, so stick around till the end to learn how it could help you level up. And don't forget, you can try JustPaid AI for free by clicking the first link below, so stay tuned. Let's dive straight in. First, JustPaid AI's main appeal lies in its ability to automate payment processing for digital marketers. It integrates seamlessly into your existing systems, handling payments from customers, affiliates, and vendors automatically. This takes a huge load off your plate and lets you focus on other parts of your business. Next, the software is designed with scalability in mind. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a large digital agency, JustPaid AI can handle high-volume transactions. This flexibility is critical in today's fast-paced market where efficiency can make or break a business. It also supports multiple currencies, which is a game changer for international operations. One of the standout features of JustPaid AI is its advanced analytics. The platform provides in-depth data on every transaction, from customer payments to affiliate commissions. You'll have access to real-time metrics, allowing you to track revenue trends, monitor cash flow, and even predict future earnings. If you've struggled with keeping track of payments across various platforms, this feature could be a lifesaver. What's really impressive about JustPaid AI is how easy it is to integrate into your current tech stack. It works with popular CRM tools, email marketing platforms, and affiliate systems. This is essential because you won't have to spend hours on complicated setup procedures. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Now, let's talk security. JustPaid AI uses top-tier encryption protocols to ensure that every transaction is secure. In an age where digital security is a top priority, this level of protection is reassuring. Your data and your clients' data will be safe at all times, making this software a reliable option for businesses that handle sensitive financial information. Another feature that sets JustPaid AI apart from other payment automation tools is its customer support. You can get help whenever you need it through live chat or email. This is something a lot of other platforms fall short on, but with JustPaid AI, you'll never feel stuck with a problem. Their support team is responsive and knowledgeable. Finally, the pricing. The best part is JustPaid AI offers a completely free version of their software, which is a huge plus. If you're just starting out or want to test it before committing, you can try all the basic features at no cost. The premium plans are priced competitively with options that scale depending on your business's needs. And with its free trial, you can jump right in and see the software's capabilities firsthand before making any financial commitment. To wrap up, JustPaid AI is a strong contender in the AI space, especially for digital marketers and business owners looking to streamline their payment processes. It's efficient, secure, and user-friendly. I've tried countless AI tools in the past, and this one definitely stands out in terms of value for money and performance. If you want to try JustPaid AI for free, click the first link below. I've also included some other top-rated AI software options in the description that you can explore, all of which I personally recommend after testing thousands of AI tools. Don't miss out on the chance to supercharge your business with the right AI tools.